Hi Aquarius, this is your next 7 days reading starting from the 16th of April to the 23rd of April. I'm going to look at your energies for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Aquarius. What is coming to you this week? So you are influenced by the 9 of Wands in your environment. So 9 of Wands environment can be that you are at the finishing line. A very exhausting period is getting over, but you are still standing and you are still courageous, and you are waiting to hear from something, someone, and you are on the verge of accomplishing a situation for yourself which was draining you physically or mentally. With the King of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles, you are going to get an elevation, get an offer, get a situation, get into a situation that is very stable for you. And the Ace of Pentacles is a new offer, new proposal coming to you. You were very curious about this whole thing, or you will become curious about this offer, how to convert it. You will start gathering knowledge. There could be a change in your role, there could be a change in your economic environment where there is a possibility of money coming in, possibility of promotion, possibility of an upgrade, and that is going to give you great stability, and you will be concentrating on your money or career in this week. So a good news is coming to you, a new idea, new motivation, new start, a rebirth is happening. With the Justice card, there is going to be a situation that is going to be balanced. You will be getting a fair decision. You could be getting into a fair legal conclusion in a legal fight. That is also possible. So good results are coming to you. What you have sown, you are going to reap in this time period, Aquarius. And there is going to be an ending of lack. There is an ending of lack with the Five of Pentacles and the Death card. The situation of lack, the mindset of lack, the feeling that doors have been closed on me is going to get over forever for you. And with the Three of Cups, you will be in a very healing energy. You could be very inspired, or you will be happy in a situation. So unexpectedly, what is arriving for you is an Ace of Cups and Ace of Swords in this time period. The Ace of Wands is also here. So this is a new start happening for you in this week, and you will be feeling upgraded in terms of your emotions. You will be getting a victory in a difficult situation, and Ace of Wands is telling me that the clarity of the situation will help you to pursue your passion or a new passion, or get you innovative ideas in this time period, and you will feel full of joy, happiness, and new passion. So in terms of your job situation, there is going to be a transformation in your economy. You have been alone for a long time, or you have been separated, or you could be working alone. You were reflecting on your job situation. With the moon in the reverse, all the fears, all the difficulties, all the illusions are going to go away. So something will be stripped, the truth will be revealed. The truth will give you great happiness and give you a success energy. With the King of Wands, you can be elevated to a bigger role, and you will emerge as a hero. With the Six of Pentacles, so there is a 6-6 energy coming in. So you will be in Six of Wands and Six of Pentacles. This is telling us that there is going to be money coming in, reciprocation, or some kind of generosity will be shown by your employers, or in business you are going to get your loans, you are going to get compensated, you are going to get a bonus, you are going to get some credit recovery in this time. This new situation will be a possible situation because of your team spirit. You will be recognized for your talent. So a situation of stalemate will be over for you. For your 10 of Pentacles, there is going to be 3 of Pentacles. So basically your legacy wealth is going to rise. You are going to get into a long-term situation with the Ace of Pentacles in your situation. So basically offer is coming to you, and this offer is going to give you victory over your circumstances which were not so good. So finally you are going to crack a deal, you are going to get something favorable towards you, and that is going to give you great new energies. All the secrets will be stripped away. Whatever you were waiting for, it will be revealed to you. And in terms of your personal life, you will feel very satisfied. You will pat yourself on your back for what you have achieved for yourself and your family. You will be walking away from displeasures in this time period. With the Queen of Wands, there is going to be new bold energy. You will start looking good, feeling good in this time period, ready to embrace new situations in your emotions. With the Magician, you will be able to manifest your personal dreams in this time period. In terms of your health as well, with the Seven of Swords, you will be strategic. You will be able to get out of difficulties or avoid problems in your health. With the Nine of Cups, you will be seeing some wish fulfillment that is going to give you great happiness, and you are coming out of even hidden dangers inside your body. So basically you will be seeing in this time period great joy, happiness, purity, recovery, purity of love, self-worth energy will be washing you over your being. It will be washing you over this self-worth energy and the rebirth or the regrowth energy. So Seven of Cups is your outcome. So this means a situation will open up for you. You will be spoiled for choices. This means that there will be a new path opening up for you. With the Fool energy and the Four of Wands, you will be moving towards your new situation, and this new adventure is going to take you towards great rewards, rich rewards, and accomplishment, balance, and newfound stability in your life. So the angels of abundance are telling you to block out distractions at this time. Your life purpose and other priorities need your undivided attention. So it's time for you to take charge of your schedule and working environment by turning off electronics and avoiding anyone or anything that distracts you from what's important. You already know what these distractions are, and you have the power to responsibly block them out. So this is your energy, Aquarius. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through any kind of difficulty or confusion, you can come to me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. You can write to me through the email ID and contact me. I will let you know how to book these readings. Thanks for watching this Space Tarot Priestess 1313. I always bring you your readings periodically, so wait for your next reading. I'll be bringing it soon. So bye bye.